Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. My name's Adrian and today we can have a demonstration of the use of an HYCH7070E-2 wood chipper. Let's get straight on with it, start her up, protect ourselves up and chip some wood. As you can see, I've got various branches here. Let's get rid of this lot. Well, as you can see, it made short work of that lot. Just draw your attention to one of the other features on this machine, now that I've stopped it. The outlet spout, which at the moment I've got coming out in this direction, will also go on sideways. So you just release the two latches here, and you can twist it around, put it on at 90 degrees, latch it on that way round, and now the discharge will come out to the side. And again, it will also go out to this side. It will actually spray it up in the air, but I'm sure you wouldn't want to do that. But yeah, multifunctional, multi-directional outlet. As you saw at one point, I put a large branch in and it pushed on this handle and actually shut the machine off, which is a safety feature here to stop you getting yourself down inside the machine. So if you were to go down inside, catch this bar, as it gets pushed, it switches the engine off. It's a great safety feature. Well, I do hope you found this interesting. This has been the HYCH7070E-2 wood chipper. I've been Adrian and happy chipping.